Welcome to the gate shape. Today our new problem is dx dt plus 3x is equals to 0. What is the solution of this equation? First, dy dx plus py is equal to y. We know that this differential equation is known as linear in y. So our integrating factor is e to the power p dx. So y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. We know. So integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dx. So putting the value of integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx is equals to integration of q into e to the power p dx plus c. So our dy dx plus py is equals to q. The q value is 0. So here putting the value of q, we get dx dt plus 3x is equals to 0, where integrating factor is e to the power integration of 3 dx. Actually it is t function, so dt, then e to the power 3t dt is 3t. So x into e to the power 3t is equals to c in this format. So x is equals to c e to the power minus 3t, taking the 3t in the right hand side. This is the solution for the given differential equation. Now talking about homogeneous equation, we have case 1 and case 2. In case 1, sometimes d2y dx2 plus p dy dx plus qy is equals to 0. Then the equation is homogeneous. In case 2, m dx plus n dy is equals to 0 when m and n are both homogeneous function of same degree. M of tx comma ty, the term of tx ty, t to the power n m xy, and n same as m tx ty, t to the power n xy, power same, then the equation is homogeneous. Problem is given a differential equation and solve the differential equation. Given some options are y is equals to 1 plus x plus tan inverse of x plus c, y is equals to x plus 1 plus x plus tan of x plus c, y is equals to 1 minus x tan inverse of x plus c, and 1 minus x tan of x plus c. This question is from GATE 2017. So the solution for the given differential equation is dy dx is equals to x plus y minus y whole square. You have to let the x plus y as x plus y minus 1 is equals to z, and then the derivative with respect to x is 1 plus dy dx minus constant term derivative is 0 is equals to dz dx. Then find out the value of dy dx is equals to dz dx minus of 1. Now we know dy dx is equals to z square, so dy dx is equals to z square. Putting the value of dy dx in this equation, let this equation as number 1. Putting the value of dy dx, so we get dz dx is equals to z square plus 1. Taking integration on both sides, dz dx is equals to integration of, first you have to rearrange the equation, plus 1 and then equals to dx, then take the integration on both sides, dz divided by z square plus 1 is integration of dx. Then 1 divided by x square plus 1 or 1 divided by a square plus 1. We have to know the formula. It is tan inverse of z is equals to x plus c. A constant term comes out. Then z is equals to, taking tan in right hand side, tan of x plus c. Then putting the value of z, we let the z is x plus y minus 1. So z is equals to x plus y minus 1. Yes. Then tan of x plus c. Then y is equals to 1 minus of x plus tan of x plus c. This is the solution for the given differential equation. Now look at the options. 1 plus x tan inverse of x plus c, 1 plus x tan of x plus c, 1 minus x tan inverse of x plus c, 1 minus x tan of x plus c. So the correct option is D. This problem is the solution of the differential equation. Given a differential equation where x of 1 is equals to 0.5 and the options are x is equals to t minus half, t square minus half, t square by 2 and t by 2. This is not t to the power minus half, this is t minus half. This is from KET 2013. You have to solve this problem at your own. In the next class I will discuss on this problem and solve this. After that we go for another some tricky problems, and I will give you a hint about this problem. You have to take the differential equation and then you have to find out the integrating factor. Then you have to calculate the value of x. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.